If all humans died, when would the last light go out? This question comes from a simple but eerie thought. If humanity vanished instantly, no warning, no disasters, just gone, how long would our artificial light continue to shine in the darkness? Let's find out. The moment humans disappear, the world doesn't go dark immediately. Lights are still on. Cities glow. Screens flicker. Machines hum. But the systems behind that light are fragile. Most of the world's electricity comes from large power grids, and power grids are not designed to run themselves. Fossil fuel power plants need constant fuel deliveries, coal trains, oil pipelines, gas compressors. Without people maintaining them, fuel supplies fail. Within hours, power plants begin shutting down. As some stations drop offline, others are suddenly overloaded. Protective systems trigger. One failure causes another. Within a day, cascading blackouts ripple across the planet. Most cities go dark. What about nuclear power? Nuclear reactors don't need daily fuel deliveries. A small amount of uranium contains enormous energy. In theory, a reactor could run for years. But in practice, nuclear plants are designed to shut down safely. At the first sign of trouble, if the electrical grid fails, or sensors detect abnormal conditions, the reactor automatically scrams. Control rods drop. The reaction stops. So even nuclear power fades quickly. Not in catastrophe, but in silence. Is anything still on? Yes. Not all lights are connected to global grids. Some remote communities rely on diesel generators. They keep running until their fuel tanks empty, which could take days or months, but eventually even they go dark. Some power sources don't need fuel deliveries. Geothermal plants tap Earth's internal heat. They can run automatically for a long time, but machines wear down, lubricants dry, metal corrodes. Without maintenance, even the most reliable systems fail, usually within years. Wind turbines are surprisingly resilient. They're designed to operate with minimal human intervention. Some have run for years without maintenance. A few might keep spinning for decades. Somewhere, a tiny status light inside a turbine nacelle could blink on in the night, long after cities have gone dark. But eventually, gearboxes seize, bearings fail, the wind falls silent. Hydroelectric dams are another strong contender. Facilities like Hoover Dam can operate on autopilot. As long as water flows, turbines turn. But without a grid to send power to, systems shut down or fail mechanically. Intakes clog, components degrade. After several years, even the rivers stop making light. Battery-powered lights don't last forever. Even unused batteries slowly lose their charge. Self-discharge is unavoidable. Emergency lights, flashlights, backup systems, all go dark within decades. Solar power changes the story. Across the world are thousands of off-grid solar installations, weather stations, emergency call boxes, navigation beacons, research equipment. They charge during the day and light up at night without anyone watching. Solar panels degrade slowly. Electronics corrode. Dust builds up. But in dry climates, with occasional rain or wind, some systems could keep working for a century or more. For a long time, solar-powered lights might be the last human-made lights on Earth. Deep underground, far from the surface, there's something stranger: radioactive waste. Some nuclear waste emits particles so energetic that when they pass through glass or water, they produce a faint blue glow. This light is called Cherenkov radiation, an optical shockwave, like a sonic boom made of light. Encased in thick concrete vaults, radioactive glass blocks quietly glow in the dark. No electricity, no machines, just physics. Materials like cesium-137 decay slowly, with half-lives measured in decades. Even centuries after humanity disappears, these blocks will still glow, dim, blue, unchanging. So when does the last light go out? Not in cities, not in power plants, not even on the surface. Long after our buildings crumble and our machines rust away, deep underground, surrounded by concrete and warning signs no one can read, the final human-made light will still be shining. A quiet reminder that even in our absence, our creations endure. For a very long time,